for sale, 1979 Camaro. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 79 Camaro. But before I tell you more about it, my name is Andrew. My business is Next Gen Classic Cars of Illinois. The link to my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, is in the description of this video, as well as my eBay store. More than welcome to go check out both links. You know, contact us, email, eBay, phone call, whatever works. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. But we're all here for this, the 79 Camaro, which is finished in blue with black interior. Actually, a restored car, and I'm going to say 99% unmolested restoration on the car. Lady owned since new. Bought it in 79 in Michigan. I have the build sheet for it. They did, you know, fresh paint, trim, all new interior. They redid the engine compartment, the 305, you know, which is the number matching car. Again, why I'm saying it, to do that to this car. Oftentimes you find these cars, and I hate to say it, chopped up, molested, or if they're an insignificant version, thrown out, you know, left to buy a new one, you know, drag car, race car, stuff like that. But to take this car, in my opinion, and to do a full restoration on it, and then have it be almost all factory correct, it speaks for itself, if that makes sense to you. But anyway, I'm not trying to convince you. The quality of the paint is super nice. I mean, it was done 606 miles ago. I know there's a mark right here on the car, which is this plastic front. It's just like the Trans Ams. I'm a big fan of those. That happens. But the fitment all around the front seems to be nice. Trim bezels look nice as well. Grille looks nice. Let me go ahead and pop it for you. Gotta reach way in here. And then I gotta grab it. Hold it. Okay, I got it. Carefully lift it up. Number matching 305 two-barrel. Again, you know, little correct snorkel on there. The AC system, the hoses look correct. You got your proper stickers in there. AC, power brakes with front disc. Power steering is down there as well. And just look how nice the finish is on those inner fenders there. Really nice. Both hood hinges look to be new as well. I mean, little details. These are new. The AC works and it blows cold. Always positive. You can see a little part for the control arm because the suspension has been rebuilt, like I said. Really nice example. Your trim tag is in place where it should be. The back over there is painted very nicely. Firewall looks nice. Under the hood looks super, super nice. Smooth running, drives very nice. It's actually got a single, I think it's Flowmaster muffler on it because it's a stock style exhaust system. Sounds fantastic. And again, new exhaust on it. You can see a couple pictures. It's got like stainless steel brake lines. I mean, very nice job. But anyway, you see beautiful fitment on the nose to the fender there. Really nice fitment door to the fender. The wheels and the ring and the hub are beautiful. The new tires as well. There's really not too many marks on the car. Of course, in 606 miles of doing it. As expected, there's your VIN. Windshield's nice. This is super nice. These have been replaced. Very, very nice as well. All here. Couple marks that I do know. There's a touch-up on this lip here and a little mark on that corner. You know, it's a big door. You open it, you might nick something, so that's probably what happened there. Even this has been replaced. Oh, I'm about to fall backwards. Look how nice the fitment is on the door down there, all the way to the edge. So I had mentioned, well, let me do the door. Really nice finish in here. Nice quality paint all the way up. Weather stripping too. Now again, all new door panels, headliner, new carpet, GM floor mats, new seats front and rear, dash pad. I had said 99% of an unmolested restoration. Look how nice the finish is in there. The molding is newer. They added a different dash, I should say gauge cluster in. because they opted for gauges rather than lights. So I guess to an extent it makes sense. I have the unoriginal or the original gauge cluster, which is in the trunk. I can show you that when we get there, with a dash bezel in case you wanted to put that in. This actually looks kind of tasteful when I see it in person. But of course, if you wanted to go back to it, I have it. Now, on the odometer, on that other one, it shows 37,000 miles. I can't speak if those are the miles for this car, of course, but the floors are mint. The body is really nice. So, I don't know. Correct steering wheel. The other part of that percent is an aftermarket radio, which works. You know, so you got nice tunes now. Very nice over there. Nice glove box door with a little remote. Console is mint. And I do just know there's a little crack right in the dash there that you see right there. All the gauges work. Horn works, wipers work, AC works. All the lights work. Blower works for the AC, obviously. And just to show you the seats, again, redone very nicely. It's even got the floor mats in the back. Back seat is mint. Both door panels are brand new. They look sweet. Headliner professionally installed. Working dome light. Nice visors. I mean, this car checks off all the... What's the term? Checks off everything on the list. Is that what I'm trying to say? The doors don't sag. Of course, those pins have been worked on again, so those, hitting all their strides at this point. The quarters are original to the car. The drain plugs are in place on the inside, right about there on both sides, so it hasn't rusted out from the inside. This all looks fantastic in this section as well. I'm going to refocus my camera, bear with me. Okay, always got to do that now and then to make sure. The quarters on the car are laser straight. Really, really laser straight. I mean, the body in general is super, super, super straight. And the finish on the car, again, that's what I'm saying. To do this quality to this car, I'm a big fan of. I had a 75 Camaro about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago probably now. That was a low mile car, and they gave it just an absolute, pardon my French, shit paint. And it was a nice, unmolested car, but the cheapo out on the paint on such an honest car, it's just disappointing. Nice fitment here. Mostly nice fitment there. Trunk lid lines up super nice. And again, I know you're seeing it. Not really pointing out too many blemishes because I'm not seeing any. It's got a new gas tank as well. Spare, correct wheel, like color for the wheels, I should say. The tire's new. There's your factory dash bezel. Again, it makes sense. These are just lights. They don't really tell you anything, in my opinion. They laid light on too late, so they got the gauges in there so that you're always getting proper readings all the way and all the time. Big fan. You see original stamping on the quarter there, and you don't see it here, but I know that they are original. Factory markings in there as well, and look at the finish and the weather stripping and all that. Sold new at Voice Motor Sales Inc. in Michigan, Kalaska. 305 2-barrel automatic, air conditioning. It was a 241 rear from the factory. I'm not sure if it still maintains that. Power brakes, standard emissions, and all the codes that everybody likes. There you go. I didn't show you the trunk pan though, and also this is a very nice. I assume you could easily put that back in if you'd like. I have a bezel for it as well, for the whole dash. How do I want to do this? Very carefully, and I'll show you the trunk on this side of this. Nice, solid, original. the little roll that you see on these cars from this generation. I always think that kind of stuff is cool, how things change over time, how work was done. Cars were assembled differently. Key, yep. Trunk lid painted beautifully as well. You know, new sticker there. Fits like a glove. Someone's texting me. Okay. Really nice. Super nice fitment again here going back. Again, the tire looks brand new. I just know there's that one little mark right there. Like I mentioned, it was on the other side. Top of the car, which I didn't show you yet. Beautiful. Again, you see nice finish in here all the way down. Door panel is new, and it's not just the door panel, the armrest. This is new. This is new. All the weather stripping is new. This is new. Seat. Flash the back real quick. Like new. Headliner looks sweet. Fit like a glove. And it's got a nice fitment to it too. This little body line, I always like when you see them line up. That's how it should be, especially. Safety inspection in 2016, so that's probably when the work was done. Only driven 606 miles since roughly that time. Look how nice this fitment is here. Look at that. Really nice. Just keep repeating myself at this point. So, thank you for watching, and we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Ready? Lights work. A little rumble.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful car.
The aftermarket panel looks nice, actually.
It does.
I talked about it in the video, but
Yeah, and you have all the gauges instead of lights.
if you would have told me that this was stock, I'd kind of believe you at first. If the gauges look, like it. But, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
This is all nice as well. This is nice here.
Got the USB on the radio.
Yeah. Seats are very comfortable.
Oh, extremely.
Now that I'm in the passenger seat, I'm not doing anything. All working gauges.
Yep. Heat and AC.
Yep. Okay.
Beautiful paint.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody must have loved this car.
It was lady.
Yep.
It was lady owned since new.
Wow.
That's what I was told. I believe it. A little tint line up there as well. Probably a new windshield, actually.
Yeah. There's the antenna in there too.
Yeah. I like that. Thank you.